So the last 50 days of NEET MDS are here. The countdown has begun. What should be your strategy so that you can crack this exam in one shot? There are 5 steps. Step number 1, Master Diary. I have already reiterated this concept. You have to prepare a master diary which you will be doing in the last 10 to 15 days. During those last 15 days, you will not be doing anything new. You will only be revising and re-revising your master diary. Your master diary will consist of 3 things: most volatile concepts, memory maps, formulas, mnemonics, whatever work for you, and your most concise notes, which can help you remember the entire concept. This was step 1. Step 2. Now what is very important is that from now on, make a paradigm shift of 80% practicing of mocks and only focusing on 20% of theory. Okay, so do as many mock tests as possible, right? Do a complete analysis of why you are missing out the questions, which questions you are missing out on. Don't invest too much time reading deep theory jargons now. Okay, the time has passed. Step number 3, previous year's questions. Now that the last 50 days are left, please take out the previous year NEET question papers of the last 7 to 10 years. Go through each and every question, go through each and every option. Figure it out why the other 3 options are not the answers. Because yes, NEET will not repeat questions, but NEET will repeat the concepts. So if you can eliminate to the correct answer and if you can eliminate why the other 3 options didn't work, this means that you have really mastered the concept, and this is what is required in NEET. Now, the most peppery part. You have to do mock tests every 3 to 4 days. But the twist is, since NEET 2026 NEET MDS is scheduled on 2nd May from 2 PM to 5 PM, please do these mock tests at that time only. Because from now on, you have to acclimatize your body, okay? That day, suddenly, if you have been doing studies all night or if you are at your peak during morning hours, that day is not going to be different. So set your body's circadian rhythm right now, okay? And then only focus on the high yield topics, okay? Don't focus too much on various other subjects which don't have that much of weightage, okay? Focus on the high yield, the big 5 subjects right now. Wishing you the very best this NEET season. You can join Dental Desk Academy for our mock series, which are clearly delineated and designed so that you can crack NEET in one shot. Jai Hind. Thank you.